The Content Samurai Reviews game. Try to remember, if you'd like to use the content for a tool to drive local traffic, then you've got to help it become useful and local. At this time you mustn't necessarily develop all of the content all on your own. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about Content Samurai Reviews. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Speaking about community, customer, and employee-related regional news is a good way to mix up your community content in authentic ways. The very best material includes 5mm tempered glass, which gives a classy appearance. Since the total product weighs 54 pounds, the table is extremely sturdy. Search engines are among the main methods individuals find nearby services and products. Since quality and trust are the key motives, two-piece nesting tables are made to appear ethnic and graceful. The new angle on Content Samurai Reviews just released. In any event, the application will still everything together. You don't need to do the whole thing all at one time. You have to do your homework before setting foot outside your house. When you're up and running with your own strategy, then you will be in a position to be really consistent at remaining with your diet plan. With a tiny bit of study and planning, it's possible to develop a healthful weight reduction diet strategy. If you're looking to track down a wholesome weight loss diet strategy that satisfies your needs, here are a few suggestions to secure you begin. Do keep in mind that in case you grab the game by June 30th, you are going to get the season pass free of charge. Fighting games are so well understood that even very small changes can make a big difference in the way they play out. The hidden treasure of Content Samurai Reviews. Don't forget about reviews. Reviews are a sort of content that lots of local small business owners neglect. Simply research the kind of car you're interested in and choose a car from our gigantic database to discover cheap vehicles for sale near you. Our team drives every vehicle you can purchase. A helpful hint for selecting furniture is to stay away from purchasing things in pre-packaged sets. It is crucial to inspect used furniture very carefully before you purchase it. Used furniture is a superb method to conserve money. The table is quite strong. The table is quite sturdy. If you're looking for a console table in order to add decor to your foyer, Haugen console table by the Rort Studio will be the best option. There are lots of diet regimens offered. It can come to be tough to remain concentrated on a weight reduction diet strategy that you're able to stick also. For instance, a lot of individuals don't want to drop weight by eliminating whole food teams such as a no-carb diet. If it pertains to exactly how much weight it's possible to shed, that will definitely be one response that mostly relaxes in your hands. The total weight of the item is 42 pounds. Fen24 opinion. To find the best result from Fen24, it's very advised to use both the daytime and nighttime pills alongside a proper diet regimen and decent exercise regime. Donde venden Fen24? To get the absolute best arise from Fen24, it's very suggested to use both the daytime in addition to nighttime pills alongside a healthful and balanced diet together with a good workout regimen. Who else is lying to us about Content Samurai Reviews? You are able to take a look at the trailer at the base of the post, in addition to a couple of images of the DLC fighters. In all fairness, however, the demonstration video does basically tell you all you have to know. It has a high level of shareability. You can make your very first video with very little sweat equity. Based on the quantity of text involved, and based on your internet connection, you truly can create a premium quality professional-looking video in well under 1 hour. Alternately, you may add images to the slides also. It is possible to see here that I've been uploading my own images. It is possible to also add your own images to the slides of your choice, or you may use the Creative Commons images they provide if you would like to liven up your presentation. There are several free images, although in many instances you'll want to use at least some of your own. More layouts and themes ought to be introduced. You can make your own themes. Content Samurai is a somewhat nice and cool tool you may use easily with no prior video editing experience that's sure going to help you receive rankings, views and far more traffic to your site or internet enterprise. He or she has a wealth of images that you can use for free, or if you own the rights to an image you want to use, you can upload that instead. It is crucial to sit down and ask whether using Content Samurai will truly bring in the marginal $100 per month that it ought to make it a worthwhile choice. Market Samurai is an extremely popular and thoroughly versatile keyword research tool which I have also been using for at least 5 decades now. He or she has several additional modules. Content Samurai can't make infographics or graphics of any type. In short, he or she is online video software that helps you create quick, easy and professional-looking videos without the need for any technical expertise. He or she makes the core process of video production for marketing far more accessible. He or she is made by the group that created the keywords tool Market Samurai. Unrestricted use Content Samurai costs the exact same for everyone, in that there is just a single sort of subscription. To begin the second step, you merely click the Create Slides for your video button near the base of your screen. Click the Create New Video button to be able to get the procedure started. It's also clear that anybody who's capable of clicking a mouse will have the ability to create a rather impressive looking video in a few minutes. Content Samurai reviews ideas. Yes, there are lots of Content Samurai alternatives. Next, you have the choice of adding audio. Ultimately, you have the alternative to preview the finished video and download it if you're satisfied. You do not have a choice whether to deliver your content through video. Since quality and trust are the principal motives, two-piece nesting tables are made to appear ethnic and graceful. Since the general product weighs 54 pounds, the table is extremely sturdy. If for any reason you don't enjoy the software, you'll be able to contact customer support and they'll immediately cancel your subscription. There are several other software that you're able to utilize to create videos, but they frequently quit getting updated and, in some specific circumstances, cease to get the job done. Some search engine optimization tools are out there at no cost. To leave the very long path of trial and error, you badly require a slick search engine marketing tool to assist you. The program suggests you up to 1,000 keywords and analyzes them in accordance with the search prices, competition, and quite a few different elements. Super fast, the computer software appears to process everything really quickly. And particularly if you've got an adequate online connection. You don't even need to use, or learn to use, a complicated and pricey video editing program. Many internet marketers and many advertising specialists and SEO experts think that the power of video presentations is likely to keep growing. Click-to-tweet video marketing is the newest trend in internet marketing. In case you have any sort of company or presence online, Content Samurai can assist you in a number of ways. Most significantly, it feels like the experience that it's, in a manner that makes the stakes crystal clear. Life doesn't get far better. Life as a samurai is quite harsh. Organize your internal hyperlink structure to a T, so that each URL will give a very clear idea about what page it stands for. One of the simplest ways to get links is link exchange. Sometimes, however, individuals are spending far more of their online time on social networking sites like Facebook and YouTube. Then it's heated again, employing a practice of differential heating. The process itself is easy and straightforward. The procedure for making katana is itself an intriguing process. Content Samurai can't make infographics or graphics of any sort. One of the drawbacks when considering he or she would have to be the pricing. He or she makes the core process of video production for marketing far more accessible. He or she is one of the easiest to use, most affordable and professional video creation apps available. He or she is made by the group that created the keywords tool Market Samurai. Vendetta of a Samurai is a significant mishmash of them all, falling somewhere in the center. If you watch nothing else today, watch this video on Content Samurai Reviews. As somebody who has watched a good deal of anime, I was unreasonably happy with myself. Content Samurai is a rather nice and cool tool you may use easily with no prior video editing experience that's sure going to assist you in getting rankings, views and a lot more traffic to your site or online enterprise. On the flip side, Content Samurai was made by an expert team, which created a keyword tool referred to as Market Samurai, which many online marketers are already conscious of. He or she has a wealth of images that you can use for free, or if you own the rights to an image you want to use, you can upload that instead. It is crucial to sit down and ask whether using Content Samurai will truly bring in the marginal $100 per month that it ought to make it a worthwhile choice. The duration of the console table is such it is very storage friendly. There is nobody size-fits-all service once it concerns a healthful and balanced weight reduction diet strategy. There's nobody size-fits-all service when it has to do with a wholesome weight loss diet strategy. It is possible to see here that I've been uploading my own images. You may also add your own images to the slides of your choice, or you may use the Creative Commons images they provide if you wish to add interest to your presentation. There are lots of free images, although in several cases you are going to want to use at least some of your own. More layouts and themes ought to be introduced. You can make your own themes. You may also add music instead of, or along with narration. Video has a high degree of shareability. You can make your very first video with very little sweat equity. The argument about Content Samurai Reviews. Learn the essentials of consuming right in order to make a diet strategy. You want to discover the fundamentals of consuming right. Embrace that and take note of all of the foods that you such as. The usage of video content is exploding at a quick speed, and it's predicted it will not change anytime into the future. For example, a lot of individuals don't desire to shed weight by eliminating whole food teams such as a no-carb diet. If it pertains to precisely how much weight you're able to shed, that will definitely be one response that mostly relaxes in your hands. The general weight of the item is 42 pounds. Content Samurai Reviews Secrets. Life doesn't get far better. Life as a samurai is quite harsh. Most of all, it feels like the experience that it's, in a manner that makes the stakes crystal clear. Yes, there are tons of Content Samurai alternatives. Next, you have the choice of adding audio. At length, you have the choice to preview the finished video and download it if you're satisfied. On to the next screen, you're able to pick from the background music choices that you prefer to use. You don't have a choice whether to deliver your content through video. Remember, there are many on offer, so browse through and try a few out to learn which one matches up to what it is that you're looking for. Content Samurai Reviews Ideas. When you're up and running with your own strategy, then you will be in a position to be really consistent at remaining with your diet plan. When you're up and also running with your own strategy, then you will be in a position to be really constant at staying with your diet plan. If you want to discover a healthful and balanced weight reduction diet strategy that fulfills your requirements, below are some suggestions to get you started. With a tiny bit of study and planning, you are able to develop a healthful weight reduction diet strategy. If you wish to find a wholesome weight loss diet strategy that satisfies your needs, here are a few ideas to secure you began. With some research and also preparation, it's possible to create a healthful and balanced weight reduction diet strategy. Video marketing that's done the proper way is extremely strong and really negates price problems that could be of concern to you. Thanks for watching my video about Content Samurai Reviews. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.